Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today, we're traveling to 1949 to discover, Swedish pancakes. It's breakfast time. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. I've got another quickie for you. So it's been a while since we've had breakfast. I know we've done ginger muffins. They're fabulous if you haven't tried them. And we've done Spanish eggs and bread cubes. But we need something sweet. Well, the ginger muffins were sweet, but we need something else sweet. So today I actually have my coffee mug ready to go instead of my martini. And if you need a little Yester Kitchen in your kitchen, link is right down below. Coffee mugs, shot glasses, aprons, knock yourself out. Okay, so today we are going to my favorite cookbook of all times. I know you've seen it before. Da-da-da-da-da. The Ford Treasury of favorite recipes. 1949 recipes from restaurants throughout the country at that time. And today we are going to go, let me show you. The King Oscar Smorgasbord. This was in Seattle, Washington. It's no longer here, but they were happy to share their recipe for Swedish pancakes with us. And we're gonna make them right now. So let's do the batter. It's super, super easy. This whole recipe is super, super easy. Breakfast like that. In my happy little mixing bowl, I have a half a cup of flour. That's it, just a half a cup. To that, I'm gonna add 2 cups of milk. And of course, you know I'm using whole milk. And then right behind it, I have 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. All we need now is 2 tablespoons of sugar and a half a teaspoon of salt. Well, let's get it all in there. So Swedish pancakes, I know you know them, but we just haven't really made pancakes. And pancakes have been around for a very, 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 very long time. So we just really need to say hello to them. And I just didn't want to do your average pancakes. I love Swedish pancakes. They're thinner. They're going to have jelly in them and powdered sugar. And we are going to have one happy breakfast. So this is a very thin batter. And you just want to whisk, 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 whisk until it's well incorporated. And that looks like about now. So now, let me get my skillet. You also can use a griddle. Mine is packed, so I don't have it. So I'm gonna use a skillet for you. And let's make some breakfast. Okay, I have my large skillet on a medium-high heat. And I am gonna start with just a tiny bit of butter. Come on, you go down there. Start melting. Beautiful, look at that. Okay. Give this 1 second. I just want the butter to melt down. And just like that, our butter is melted. Okay, I use a 1/4 cup scoop. It's just so much easier. Now, I want to tell you that my skillet is arced in the middle, so I'm gonna make them on the side. So I'm just gonna do 4 teeny weeny little pancakes. As you can see how it's pooling to the side. It's okay. They're still gonna taste amazing. And I should have unpacked my griddle, but it's okay. Because no matter what shape they are, they're gonna be delicious. They're gonna be eggy and thin and custardy and wait till you see what we do with them. Okay, we're just gonna let this cook for maybe about a minute. Be right back. Okay, so as you can see, little bubbles have formed. Now you only cook these on one side. So here's what you do. You take any kind of jam or jelly that you love. I happen to love apricot. And you put a little spoon of jelly right in the middle, like so. And then you just kind of roll it around. There you go. See it? See, that's why it doesn't matter what shape it is, because it's gonna work. And you have yourself beautiful. Oh, look at how cute these are. Swedish pancakes. And that's really all there is to it. You see, breakfast in an instant. Uh-oh, my little guy's escaping. Now, onto the plate they go. And give me a second. I'm just gonna make a few more so they look just fabulous for you. I will be right back. Okay, so look at our cute little guys. See, they're just perfect little packages of happiness. So like I said, use any jelly you want. And then, at the very end, you take a little tiny strainer and you pour a tiny bit of powdered sugar in. You really don't need a lot for this. And then you shake, 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 shake all over the place, and it just makes it a little finer and a little pretty on the plate. And there you go. Oh my goodness, breakfast is served, just add a couple pieces of bacon, which is kind of my personal favorite, as you know. And you have Swedish pancakes. Now, if you don't want the jelly, roll them up and keep them plain and add a lemon wedge. Lemon squeezed over this with the powdered sugar. Oh, amazing. Either way, you will absolutely love it. Thanks so much for stopping by. It's always such an honor to have you join me. Enjoy eating the past, and I will see you in the next video.